Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an admin account, the target PC's name or IP, and firewall access. Open Settings, go to System, then Remote Desktop and toggle it on. Once done, make sure network-level authentication is checked for security and note the displayed PC name. If accessing across the internet, set a static local IP and configure your router's port forwarding for TCP 3389 to that IP. Keep credentials ready. You'll use them in the next step to connect. You now initiate the connection. Launch Remote Desktop Connection or the Remote Desktop app and paste the target PC name or public IP. Once done, click Show Options to pre-enter the user account and change display or local resource settings like clipboard and drives. Make sure experience matches your connection speed to reduce lag. Then click Connect and enter the account password when prompted. Accept the certificate if it's trusted. If you need admin elevation, choose the correct account. Otherwise, the session will be standard user. You finish by signing in and verifying peripherals and display settings. Save an RDP file for repeat access and consider requiring network-level authentication. If the connection fails, first confirm the target PC is awake and remote desktop remains enabled. Then check Windows Firewall Inbound Rule and that your router forwards TCP 3389 to the right local IP. Once done, run testnet connection or event viewer to see errors. And if you're on an untrusted network, use a VPN to secure the RDP tunnel before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.